Hello and welcome to this video, where we will be discussing Ethereum, one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. If you are new to the world of cryptocurrencies, you may have heard about Ethereum but don't know much about it. So, in this video, we will be exploring what Ethereum is and how it works. Ethereum is an open-source, decentralized blockchain platform that enables developers to build decentralized applications, dApps, on top of it. The platform is powered by its native cryptocurrency called Ether, ETH. Unlike Bitcoin, which is designed as a digital currency, Ethereum was created to be a platform that enables developers to build decentralized applications. How does Ethereum work? Ethereum uses smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. These smart contracts are stored on the blockchain and can be programmed to automatically execute when certain conditions are met. This enables developers to create decentralized applications that run without any downtime, fraud, or interference from a third party. Benefits of Ethereum. One of the main benefits of Ethereum is its ability to enable decentralized applications. These dApps can have a wide range of uses, from finance to gaming to social media. Another benefit of Ethereum is its programmability, which enables developers to create complex smart contracts and execute them automatically. Additionally, Ethereum has a large and active developer community, which means that there are always new and innovative applications being developed on the platform. In conclusion, Ethereum is a powerful blockchain platform that enables developers to build decentralized applications using smart contracts. With its programmability and active developer community, Ethereum is one of the most popular and promising cryptocurrencies in the world. Whether you are a developer looking to build a dApp or an investor looking to invest in cryptocurrencies, Ethereum is definitely a platform worth considering. Thanks for watching.